Okay, now that you have your code embedded to your blog post, you need to add a picture and some text so we know what that audio means on your blog. Right now you should be in Edit HTML. You'll want to click back to Compose. When you're in Compose, your media player should look like this. Now you can add text by just typing around it. So I would like for you to give a short description so that people know what's going to play on your audio. So I'm going to put my audio clip is taken from some of my favorite songs about Iowa where I live. Click below to hear my groovy Mix 5. Okay, another requirement for this project is to include a picture. To put a picture into your blog post, you click right here on the Insert Image. I'll click Browse to go find where I saved my image, and I found on the internet the state of Iowa that I thought would go well with my Mix 5. So I'll click on Iowa and say Open. My file is now uploaded to Blogger, and so I'll make sure I have it selected and choose Add Selected. There's my picture. Remember that another requirement of this project is to have the MLA citation for your picture. You can include that MLA citation right underneath the picture, or you could do it at the end, which is what I'm going to do. And I'm going to call this image citation. The easiest way to do this is to use EasyBib. So I'll go to easybib.com, which looks like this. When I get here, you'll notice that it asks me for the website where I found my picture. I'm going to go back to Google to show you how to do this because I use Google search engine to find my picture. Oh, it's right here, the third picture of Iowa. So I'll click on that picture, and then notice over to the right it says website for this image. That's what you actually cite. You do not cite Google, as Google is just a search engine that allows me to find things. So I'm going to click on website for this image. And it should take me to the website here shortly. Okay, now that I'm here, this is out of our viewing screen, but you will go up and copy the URL. So I've copied it, and now I'll go back to EasyBib, and right here I will go ahead and enter the website and click Cite This. Sometimes it has information that automatically gets filled out for me, and other times I have to put it in, so I may have to go back and forth between the website. It looks like it's able to identify some of the things from the website where I found my picture. So it has the article title. It asks for authors, so I'll go back and see if I can find an author on here. It doesn't give a specific name, but it does say it's copyrighted by statemaster.com, so I could put that, but I believe I think it would be better fitted if I put that down here as the publisher/sponsor, because it's not a specific person's name, which is oftentimes the case when you're looking at information that's developed by a company or some type of sponsorship. Okay, everything else is filled out for me with the website title, the URL, electronically published. I'm going to go ahead and put today's date, which is the 16th of December. Whoops, I want just December. And the year is 2011. And it does say date access, which I accessed on the same date that I'm going to publish it. And now I'll click Create Citation. And what's great is here's my citation. Just created it for me. So I can right click, copy, come back to my blog post and paste. I'm going to say allow access, and there's my image citation. Okay, so now I believe I have all of the requirements. I've got my image. I have just a brief description that will direct people to please watch my Mix 5. And then I've got my image citation. So I'm ready to publish post.